In this video, I will show you how to get rid of bed bugs in your home naturally. Bed bugs, those unwelcome nighttime intruders, can quickly turn a peaceful night's sleep into a distressing ordeal. However, fear not, for there are effective, natural methods that can help you reclaim your home from these tiny, resilient pests. In this in-depth guide, we'll walk you through a step-by-step approach to eliminate bed bugs from your living space naturally. Step 1. Confirm the infestation. Before embarking on your bed bug extermination journey, you need to confirm that you're dealing with a bed bug infestation. These minuscule reddish-brown insects typically reside in and around your bed. Carefully examine your mattress, box spring, and bedding for signs of bed bugs, including live bugs, eggs, and small dark red or black fecal spots. If you find any of these indicators, it's time to move on to the natural methods for eradication. Step 2. Declutter your living space. Bed bugs thrive in cluttered environments because they provide numerous hiding spots. Start your battle against bed bugs by decluttering your home, especially the bedroom. Remove unnecessary items and organize your possessions to reduce hiding spots. This initial step streamlines your efforts and minimizes the potential for future infestations. Step 3. Launder bedding and fabrics. Once your living space is decluttered, it's time to address your bedding. Strip the bed and gather all washable items, such as bed linens, curtains, and any other fabrics that may have come into contact with bed bugs. Wash these items in hot water, as high temperatures are lethal to both bed bugs and their eggs. After washing, dry everything on the highest heat setting for a minimum of 30 minutes to ensure thorough eradication. Step 4. Thorough vacuuming. A vacuum cleaner is an indispensable tool in your quest to eliminate bed bugs naturally. Start by vacuuming your entire home, with particular focus on your mattress, box spring, and surrounding areas. Delve into cracks, crevices, and seams where bed bugs tend to lurk. Dispose of the vacuum bag or empty the canister into a sealed plastic bag immediately after use to prevent bed bugs from escaping. Step 5. The power of steam. Steam cleaning is a natural, chemical-free method that can effectively eliminate bed bugs and their eggs. A high-temperature steam cleaner exposes bed bugs to extreme heat, rendering them lifeless. Pay close attention to your mattress, box spring, and any other infested areas to ensure a thorough treatment. Step 6. Diatomaceous Earth. Diatomaceous Earth is a natural desiccant capable of dehydrating and killing bed bugs. This fine powder can be evenly spread around your mattress, baseboards, and suspected hiding places. As bed bugs move through the diatomaceous earth, it adheres to their bodies, causing dehydration and eventual demise. Be cautious not to inhale the dust during application. Step 7. Harness the power of essential oils. Certain essential oils, including lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus, are believed to deter bed bugs. Create a natural spray by mixing a few drops of your chosen essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Gently mist this solution in areas where you suspect bed bug activity and around your sleeping area to discourage their presence. Step 8. Invest in mattress encasements. Mattress and box spring encasements serve as protective barriers that trap bed bugs inside, preventing them from accessing you during your sleep. Ensure that you invest in high-quality encasements and seal them securely to keep bed bugs at bay. Step 9. Seal hiding spots. Bed bugs are adept at finding the tiniest cracks and crevices in your home to hide. Use caulk or sealant to close these gaps, especially in your bedroom and surrounding areas. Common hiding places include baseboards, electrical outlets, and wall cracks. Eliminating these hiding spots reduces the chances of bed bugs finding refuge. Step 10. Natural insecticides. Natural insecticides like neem oil or boric acid can be valuable allies in your battle against bed bugs. These substances are considered safe and can effectively eliminate these pests. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and use these products as directed. When employing any insecticides, exercise caution and apply them only in the recommended areas. Step 11. Monitor and repeat. Bed bugs can be stubborn adversaries, which is why vigilant monitoring is essential. Keep a watchful eye on your home for any signs of bed bug resurgence, and if needed, repeat the natural methods to ensure that the infestation is completely eradicated. Consistency and patience are key to success in this endeavor. Step 12. Seek professional help if needed. In some instances, bed bug infestations may be severe or resistant to natural eradication methods. If your efforts are not yielding the desired results, or if you want a swift resolution, consider enlisting the services of a professional pest control expert with experience in tackling bedbugs. They have access to more potent treatments and can offer a comprehensive solution. Summary: to summarize, dealing with bedbugs naturally entails a systematic approach that encompasses identifying the infestation, decluttering your home, laundering bedding, thorough vacuuming, steam cleaning, Diatomaceous Earth essential oils, mattress encasements, sealing hiding spots, natural insecticides, and diligent monitoring. While these natural methods can be effective, they require perseverance and patience, as it may take time to completely eradicate bedbugs from your living space. Remember that early detection and prevention are vital in preventing future infestations. Maintain a clutter-free home, regularly inspect for signs of bedbugs, and take immediate action if you suspect their presence. With determination and these natural methods, you can regain peaceful nights and enjoy a bedbug-free home.